Alright, so hey guys, good morning and welcome to 4X Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, so just a quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. If you're looking for someone to tell you to buy now and sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you are looking for someone to teach you about these markets and of course trade the profitable 4X strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Non-farm payrolls, 8 minutes. All right, it's going to be a pretty intense day, if I may. All right, so I want you guys to be careful. I have charted up Nasdaq, gold, and the dirty. I'm sorry, man. 8 minutes to go, so just got to get everything up and running. All right, so I'm going to quickly share my screen with y'all. Give me a second. Okay. You guys should be able to see my screen. This is what I'm looking at on Nasdaq. All right, we could possibly come down from here or break this and push to the upside. US 30, one of two things. Of course, we have our key supply and our key demand in these areas, and we're going to have to see what price wants to do. All right, close at a market open. Well, closer to news, I'll give you guys maybe some areas based off of what price is doing currently, okay? Just give me a quick second, you guys. One second, you guys, I'm going to be back. Okay, sorry about that. Whatever you guys want to use, okay? Listen, news is going to be big, so y'all need to realize that market orders may not entirely work for y'all, okay? So be careful. Y'all may just get skipped. Whatever y'all do, just make sure y'all are doing it carefully. All right, that's all I'm going to say. Okay, and this is gold right here. We could be looking at possible sells that look something like that. And buys that look something like that. Okay. If y'all want to be safer, y'all could be entering right over here. Nasdaq sells down here. And the buys on Nasdaq are going to be up there. Guys, I personally am going to be trading the US 30 probably for news. Alright, that's what I have my eyes on. Okay, head and shoulders potential. And we could have a short position down here. Okay, so that's roundabout what we're looking at. Guys, listen, I want you all to be careful today, okay, because things may not necessarily work out the way y'all wanted to. There is going to be some erratic movement. There is going to be a lot of manipulation. Just use smaller lots. It's fine. Y'all don't need to be going too crazy because y'all will still get bigger moves, okay? So if y'all don't feel comfortable, wait for the first candle to close, all right? Wait for the first candle to close, and that's when y'all can look at getting into any sort of trades, all right? Okay, let's take a quick look at the EMAs. Okay, let's take a look at gold as well. Gold is attempting to. Gold is starting to run, you guys. Please listen, be careful, okay? Don't get into anything prematurely. All right, let's maybe try to look to break this zone down here and then get in, okay? So maybe like that or something like that, all right? If y'all want me to be safer, I'm going to keep this right over here because let's not take any sort of risks. We don't want to get caught in any fake outs, okay? And the buys are going to be up there. All right? I like this though. I'm not going to lie. It's looking good to me. Just be careful though, okay? Because this could be the fake out. This could be the first move before the actual move, okay? I'm gonna leave this here. Okay. All right, and y'all know it, okay? This is where our demand is. That's where our supply is. If we break past our demand, we're going to get in on sells, all right? And if we're going to break past our supply, we're going to get in on buys, all right? Y'all know it. We have about 2 more minutes to news. Let's see what they want to do, you guys. Let's see what they want to do. Okay, I'm just going to quickly set up some orders, you guys. Please, 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 if y'all are setting up orders, y'all need to realize that price may not respect your, you need to realize that your broker may not respect any levels that you guys throw on, okay? So please be mindful of that. Okay, look at the dirty, they're pushing it down. Guys, also, watch out for your spreads today, okay? Y'all may be facing some horrible spreads, so watch out for that. Y'all don't want to get caught in anything too bad. Okay, I've set some orders, you guys. We have news in about 10 seconds. All right, let's have a good one. This is NFP, you guys. Please don't be risking. Let's go. All right, let's see if this wants to go bullish, you guys. All right, look at that. The US 30 dropped. The US 30 freaking tanked down, you guys. And look at gold. I am running in on gold. All right, I caught this. My order got triggered on gold. I'm running by 14 grand on gold. All right, good stuff, you guys. Good stuff. I'm running 16,000, 17,000 on gold right now, and we're still freaking bleeding. Good Lord. All right, I'm up by 25,000 on gold, you guys. 25 grand on gold. I am looking to liquidate this position, and I have pulled out 21,000 on gold. Woof! Ah, okay, who caught that with me? Alright, so the US 30, this is most likely a fake out, you guys. This is most fucking likely a fake out, alright? Let's see if they want to fill it, but they freaking pushed it down. Gold was beautiful, the gold sell was pretty textbook. I am still looking for the dirty if it wants to happen, but who freaking caught that with me? Come on, which one of you guys caught that with me? Who caught that? Why is MetaTrader so slow? It's because of your Nasty. Okay, Nasty is going down in the cells to hit TP as well. Next level we're gonna test out is somewhere there. Okay, listen, if y'all haven't dirty W, awesome, man. I love it, buddy. Everything marked out. Look at that, look at that. Mill zone. Are we gonna have a good video, or are we gonna have a good video? I love it, man. Okay, lovely, lovely. Got the sell on Goldie? Yeah, man. Me too. I just did gold, nothing else. Well, gold was the only one got triggered because I had buy stops set up for this, okay? So I'll still get triggered when this happens. I do think they will go bullish at some point, but I do have buy stops sitting up in this area, okay? So I never got triggered in on this, but I did fucking get triggered on gold, you guys. What a move! How many of you guys caught that? Just 9 people caught it? Come on, you guys. Come on. Caught Goldie. Alright, good. Fuck. ETH dropped. Okay, but we're catching some solid support from this demand right here. Let's see if they get enough momentum and go boop, boop, boop. Caught nasty. Beautiful. Alright, take out whatever y'all get, guys, because look at these wicks. This is NFP, okay? The buys are probably gonna come back in. Okay, I'm done with gold, you guys. I'm not gonna fuck around with gold anymore. Excuse my language, but look at what I caught on gold, you guys. 146 pips. Alright, I need to send y'all a screenshot of my trade. Okay, just give me a quick second. I'm gonna send this to you guys. I'm so excited, you guys. I don't. This session's done. Like, this is literally freaking it. We caught. Listen, we have 3-4 setups. We catch even one of those, and your money. All right, because look at what they're doing on the dirty right now. We don't want to be part of that manipulation. Okay, let me show you guys what I caught on my Goldie. Okay, give me a second. Babe, did you catch anything? Or when you weren't trading anything?
I'm not trading.
Okay. Massive W today. Yes, sir. Tell me about it, man. What a day. All right. Give me a second, guys. I'm so slow at this, but I want to send you all the position that I caught. That was fucking quick, you guys. Okay, so that was my position on gold. I closed it at just that much. All right, I closed it at that. That's 100 fucking pips on $200 a pip, you guys. That's 100 pip on 200 a pip. Are you shitting me? This is fucking insane, you guys. I'm done. What an NFP. We don't even care what they want to do. Look at gold, guys. They're still fucking pushing. By the way, I've completely liquidated out of this position. I have nothing still running in on gold. Nothing. Zero still running in on gold. Okay, so I, in all honesty, don't need to freaking get in on anything because I am good. But let's see. All right. Let's see if they're gonna get the continuation on gold. Okay, so this is a wick that they have to fill. Look at that. All right, they're testing it. I do believe they're going to go up, though, you guys. Something tells me that they're going to push up after this manipulation is done. If you guys are going to be trading market open, I know I'm not going to be trading market open. So if y'all are going to be, mark this level. All right, 33986, 7.5, 33988. What is that? 33988. Okay, mark that level. And you'll have this move whenever they actually do want to give it to you, okay? Babe, did you catch the Nasdaq sells? No? Did anyone catch the Nasdaq sells? Or the US 30 sells? Damien? Alright, good. Alcoom, US 30 sells, dirty. Awesome. Guys, I had my eyes on dirty, but gold got triggered and I was like, fuck it. I'm taking my money and I'm getting out. So I'm good. I caught the buys after the news. Did you bank another M, brother? US 30 sell, but missed a crap load of pips due to being skipped. That's fine, man. Listen, 0.7%, that's 0.7 that you didn't have before this, okay? So it's all good. It's all good. Nasdaq's tanking. Yes, it is. Look at that. Nasdaq is fucking dropping, you guys. All right, they're pushing it. They're pushing it as hard as they can. I don't want no part of this, so I'm not getting in on it. Y'all do need to realize that there is some serious demand that's going to be coming into these areas. So I myself personally am not looking to get in on this, but it's a good opportunity. As y'all can see, we are attempting to break the 30. All right, we're attempting to break the 30. I hope your orders got filled today, guys. I hope not too many of y'all got fucked over by your broker. The ones on the fundeds most likely did. But there's a reason I don't trade my funded account for news. All right, there's a reason I don't do that. There's a reason we don't do that, okay? I also got skipped, only lost 0.1, not mad. Okay. Fuck, that was beautiful, you guys. Okay, so they're still pushing. Babe, do you want to count these for us? Look at that, guys. Gold is still tanking. Still tanking. Listen, don't chase the trade. Don't be buying the bottom of the sea. Got bamboozled by the broker. Why did that happen though? Is it because you had a stop loss? Is that why? Or did you have a take profit? Space, did you catch something, buddy? Everything's going on, man. It's all fucking bleeding. You caught the nasty sells? Beautiful. Are you still in on it? Because if you are, you should be running right now. Space, my man. Millzone, I hope you caught something. Buff, I hope you caught something as well. And my OG traders, my one-on-ones, you guys, y'all better have caught this because everything over here was textbook, alright? Supply, demand, and we had the buys and the sells. Every single thing was textbook. Too scared to enter? That's fine. Listen, just the fact that you're admitting that to me says that you're growing in your trading journey. It's okay. It's part of it, and it's fine, alright? I exited 2 seconds after NFP. I put order. You got triggered though, right? Space, good. Even I haven't had any issues getting triggered. Yes, I do catch a really bad spread, and I'm pretty sure I would have caught at least a 30 or a 35 spread today, but I still caught 100 pips. So it doesn't matter if the spreads are wider, but the move is larger as well. I'm just skipping the huge news on funded accounts. It's too random. Agreed. That's not a bad decision. Got it, buddy. Had an order triggered both ways. You made money going both ways, Alkum. That's insane, bro. That's nuts. I legit tell everyone to not do that, but if you manage to pull that off, go on a freaking success stories and share that, okay? Because if you caught it going both ways, you're a freaking legend, man. Congratulations on that. Lovely, lovely. That deserves a reaction, you guys. Go on to Alkum's comment and react to that. The man caught it freaking going both ways. Lovely. I had a stop loss. All right, so that was your issue. You had a stop loss, okay? So the reason why you got stopped out in an order when you did have a stop loss was because you're basically, when you put in an order, you tell your broker that I'm giving you all the power to throw whatever spread at me when price hits that, right? And usually this happens on news. So they anyway up their spreads on news. They make it go crazy. So if you had, maybe just hypothetically, if you had a 20 pip stop loss and you caught a 40 pip spread, you're gonna just get closed out at minus 20 pips. Does that make sense? So you have to be a little more careful. So the reason is what you need to do moving forward is you need to use smaller lot sizes and use more sort of conservative risk management and have a wider stop loss. That's what you need to do, because you don't know if your broker is gonna screw you over with a 50 pip spread or even a 100 pip spread. Make sense, buddy? I hope that's clear to you now. Look at fucking gold, you guys. I should have left it. I'm not gonna complain. Legit. It is what it is. I caught what I had to catch, and I'm good. I told you guys, NFP is gonna be one of those days. You blink, the candle's gonna happen, and it did. What about you guys? Listen, I want to know, did y'all catch stuff? Are y'all still in any sort of trades? Because gold is still running. The dirty is, look at that. Okay, look at what the dirty is doing. Yeah, that's what happened likely. Thanks for the advice, Krem. Much appreciated. I usually do live trades with mental stop loss on crypto, where brokers are another day. I'll be using super. Yes. It's just a matter of some practice, buddy. Okay? You just you'll figure it out. It is different from crypto, yes, but again, if you need any help, the community is very, very helpful over here. Okay, and plus me and Cash are always here. Still scalping these wicks, my man, the myth himself, Millzone. Watching Dirty. Me too, me too. But I really don't think this is gonna happen now. I don't think this is gonna happen now. I do think this is gonna probably marinate a little to market open. All right. That being said, it could happen now. Made a milli. I'm sure he made more, man. Freaking insane. What a day, you guys. What a day. Okay, so Cash has officially taken my phone away, telling me that I'm not supposed to be trading anymore. So I'm with you guys, but I'm not going to be taking any more trades. Just because my wife won't let me. Yep, she's never wrong, brother. I've been married a year now, and that's what I've learned. The wife is never wrong. All right, so guys, we're still pushing on Goldie. Fucking insane. We never got a right shoulder. I Sorry about that, you guys. We had someone at the door. But yeah, like I was saying, so in all honesty, I was expecting a little pullback on gold like this one, so that we would have had a little bit of that head and shoulders action. That's what I was expecting, so I thought it'd be slower, but it just did it. It just did it, and it did it pretty freaking quick, okay? And uh, this is not good price action, you guys. Just letting you all know, alright? This is not good price action. This most certainly is manipulation in these markets for the bigger move that's yet to happen, okay? Y'all know why I put supply there, correct? Because we have all of these pending orders sitting right in this area, as y'all can see. Demand, my bad. Demand. Alright, so we're coming into some demand. Let's see if they want to hold true to this demand. But guys, this wick fill on the dirty, was 218 pips, y'all. 218 goddamn pips, babe. The wick on the dirty was 218 pips. The impulsive move. Do y'all realize how big of a move that is? Okay, Nasty is continuing to push down. Gold is just plummeting, y'all. Gold is just plummeting to the downside. Look at that. We're tanking. Look at what the RSI is on. Look at what the RSI is on gold. Do y'all see that? One-on-ones? Are y'all seeing this right now? We're at 8.5 on the RSI. And you know what's crazy? They could probably push it a -5 and -10 if they wanted to, okay? So it can go all the way, it don't matter. It's very rare that you'll see price go below 0. I think it's not really happened that often. But we'll see, all right? They could tank this. Trust me, we could still have another 100 pip move before we even hit 5 or 4 on the RSI. Never saw that even on the 1 minute. Yeah, man, tell me about it. It's pretty intense, okay? 8.5. They still have room. They have room to go all the way down there to 0, okay? That could eat. Look at that, man. They're still fucking. Is anyone still in on this? I should have left a position. Huh? Yeah? Nasty bleeding as well. Okay, they're holding support at our demand right here. I want to take a look at ETH. Fucking hell. Okay, they're dropping on ETH. Okay. That's what we're looking at right now on ETH. We're coming into a little bit. half a channel over here. Yep. So this wick fill is gonna happen. Alright, best believe it's gonna happen. And then we could maybe start to pick up some support from here. Next level of resistance right there. Next resistance right there. And boom, we break past this resistance. We're pushing up. Okay, we're pushing up after that. Then that could be the next high that we're looking to test on ETH. 1700, 1715 area. This supply here, there's some pretty serious supply that we're going to be coming into right up there. And similarly, there's some pretty serious demand that we're coming into down there on ETH. Okay, sorry, I've been keeping an eye on this for the past couple of days. This is just a little something for the ones that trade crypto. Nasty is breaking 30 RSI.
Wow. Oh my god. It's at 26.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at that. They're fucking tanking down, you guys. They break this. They're pushing down here. Look at the fuck. They're tanking, you guys. They're tanking.
Even if the news was positive.
Okay, I'm gonna mark this level up right here. Let's mark this up. Let's look at the dirty. My buys on the dirty are now gonna come here. Okay? Even though I'm not gonna be trading, but for you guys looking at it, the buys could come up here once we break past this supply. Are they still tanking?
Oh my god. Oh
Okay. Let's see. Okay, guys, listen. If y'all want to get in, it's up to y'all. We're probably pushing down there, okay? I personally am not getting in on this. We're most likely going to test that 12,500 area, okay? 12,500. All right, so that's what it looks like to me. There could be another 10, 15 pip drop. How do we know when it's going to stop bleeding now? Well, psychological levels, or it has to at some point, right? Okay, let's see how the last 55 seconds of this candle want to push through. Where you see... Okay, that's... Alright, let's see what they want to do there. Let's see how they want to sort of act at... Okay, let's see how they respect our demand, you guys. They break down from here. I just need to make a little bit of an adjustment here. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Perfect. They break down from here. We're bleeding on Nasty, you guys. We're gonna fucking bleed, okay? So let's see. I do believe that they're gonna take this back up. It just, to me, it's too much. It's too much. This isn't normal. And yeah, this isn't normal to me, okay? I don't like this. They're aimlessly just bleeding. I'm not gonna get in on the cells myself. I'm just letting y'all know. But of course, if y'all want to, y'all absolutely can. Guys, did y'all have a good NFP? Was this for how many of y'all was this your first time trading NFP? For how many of y'all? Come on, guys, let's make this a little interactive. Me and Cash have been working towards this for the past 72 hours now to be able to get these to get this analysis to y'all. Okay, so let us know. Let us know. All right. Have y'all traded NFP earlier? First timer here. Awesome. Okay. Well, hopefully you're going to be actively trading the next one profitably, okay? What's NFP? Non-farm payrolls, buddy. First time and played out nicely. Congratulations, Mercury. First time but no trading, just watching. That's good stuff, man. I think I got lucky because I didn't place my TP. Yes, yes. In all honesty, that probably worked in your favor because, like I said, your broker can just completely screw you over. Okay. First time trading NFP with your live streams and worked out well. Congratulations, Daryl. I love it, man. Good stuff. Okay, let's look at what the dirty is doing right now. Okay. All right, so this is now turned into supply. Fuck that. I'm gonna get rid of this. We have good enough supply here. Okay, so maybe, just maybe, to test it out, okay, if we begin to break that area, or basically what I'm trying to show you guys is these wicks, you'll see how much resistance we're going to be coming into at this area, correct? So if maybe we start to break this area to the upside, which would also line up with the previous high, we could probably start to test out the markets for the buys in case they want to push, okay? So let's see, they could be approaching it right now. Let's see, you guys. Maybe feelers up here. And on the break of a supply, we could go boop and get that move, okay? I still do believe that the move was originally supposed to be bullish. But again, this is how these markets function, right? This is how things move. This is how the brokers work. This is how the big money works. They need to hit our stop losses for them to hit their TPs. Okay, so I still do believe that we are going to go bullish at some point. It could be from market open. It could also just be maybe they pick up the momentum on Friday. All right, that's my bad. They pick up the momentum on Monday. All right, that's a possibility as well. But the overall price action tells us that we should be going bullish. Okay, so let's watch. Lesson from today is if you have a funded account, do not place a TP and stop loss during news and use feelers only. Absolutely. This. Yes, sir. 100%. Yeah, I remember a lot of people made some good money on NFP the last time, but then we had a couple of people that also had stuff go against them. And I was like, okay. All right, but these are textbook setups. All right, these are textbook. What we do on here is just plain and straight support and resistance. Right, these markets are not in our control, you guys. But being able to spot these zones and being able to spot these levels, those are in our power. Okay, so we have a lot of historical data that we can refer back to, and there are lots of ways of figuring these markets out, okay? How much time you want to put into actually doing it and how dedicated you are is what matters, okay? Because, listen, it's not that simple. If it was that simple, everyone would be a millionaire, okay? But that's where Forex trading comes into the picture. Because you guys know it, recite it with me. We're building an army of millionaires, okay? Do your thing, get ready, watch Forex Academy, watch everything that you have to on YouTube. Come Monday, ready to trade these markets with us. Because we don't do one, but we do 2 live sessions in a day, you guys. 2 live sessions in a day. This week, we haven't really been doing London because my lovely, beautiful wife and partner, Cash FX, she's been unwell, all right? So we haven't been trading London. But come Monday, you're going to be back, right? She's going to be back on Monday. We're going to go back to the 2 sessions a day. So join us, you guys, because if y'all want to join that exclusive army or exclusive group of freaking millionaires, you're at the right place right now. Okay? And I'm always grateful to Millzone, to Yano, to MGL, to Dawood for letting us use PWL as this bounce off platform for what we're doing with forex trading. Okay, so I really appreciate you guys. You all know it, and of course we do what we do for this community on here. Okay, there are what, 50, 60 of you now. I promise you, in the next 6 months we're gonna have an exclusive freaking group with a minimum of at least 1,000 people making money day in and day out with us. All right, absolutely, guys, absolutely. Millzone, my man. Alright, so guys, I'm probably just gonna stay for the early switch up, which is gonna happen in the next 4 minutes, y'all. I know myself, and knowing myself, I don't want to fall into the trap of finding a beautiful setup that I've been working towards from the past 3 days, and I know when I see that setup, I'm gonna have to trade it. Alright, so I'm gonna try and do it by myself so that I can do it conservatively, because otherwise if I'm going to do it with you guys, I have a little bit of an adrenaline kick and I'm probably going to go crazy, and I don't want to do that. All right, why don't I want to do that? Because I respect the strategy and I respect my daily targets. Okay, so I'm probably going to play around with feelers, but for you guys, all right, let's do a quick trade recap, and then let's see what we got. And listen guys, it's really 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 crucial to know that if you've hit your daily target, don't trade anymore. It's pretty simple. It's straight up, all right? If y'all have hit your daily 0.5%, 1% target on NFP news with these freaking volatile markets, do not trade anymore. That would be the stupidest thing that you do to your accounts. Trust me when I say this, because I've been that stupid guy more times than I'd like to accept, okay? And it took me time to learn. You guys don't need to go through that same stuff, because we're here to help you with that, all right? So if you've hit your targets, just walk away from these markets. Have a great fucking weekend, all right? Spend time with your family, friends, partners, whatever it is. Have a good one, okay? Because we need to know when to walk away from these markets, man. I can't be more straight up about that, okay? So these cells look like they still want to come in. I'm going to wait for another 2-3 minutes, you guys, and I'm going to call it a session. Babe, are you good to do recap? All right, so we had the dirty cell. Fuck me, you guys, look at that. 220 pips, you guys. 220 pips. Anyone else hate the weekends because you can't trade? I look forward to the weekends, man. But no, I absolutely, I feel you. I have been there myself. You get like super freaking addicted to it. And yeah, the weekends can be boring. But again, we're going to be back Monday, and we're going to be back with all of this energy that we bring every single time anyway, okay? So 220 pips, baby. All right. And then we had Goldie. Goldie was the one for me today, y'all. Goldie made me some dough today, all right? 290 pips on fucking gold, babe. 290 pips. That's a lot of gold for you. All right? And the dirty, right?
No,
Nasdaq? Okay. Nasdaq. 108 pips on Nasdaq. That was some day, huh? Did we have a 500 pip day? Millzone, we had a 500 pip day today, brother. How brilliant is that? 500 pips. It's been a while since we've had one of these, and I knew NFP was gonna give it to us. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give y'all levels to look out for if y'all are gonna be trading market open. Listen, how many of y'all are gonna be trading market open? Message me on the chat and let me know. All right, because I don't want to give you all numbers if you guys have already made profits, and then you're going to unnecessarily be trading it without us, and I don't want y'all to end up losing those profits. I'll try with feelers. Market open. I'm out. All right. Okay. So if you guys are going to be trading market open, all right, you're on gold. Fuck gold, all right? Don't buy gold. Don't sell gold. Don't do anything on gold right now. Okay, this isn't normal, guys. One-on-ones. What do y'all see here? This is what I was spotting as well. Okay. I'm watching the chat right now. What do y'all see here? Any one of you guys, come on. The ones that have crossed session 2 with me, y'all know what I'm talking about. Yes, what is this pattern called, you guys? What is this pattern called? There you go. Agreements just got it, okay? This is We had rubber band consolidation. All right, distribution going on in this area, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We broke out, consolidated, and then finally broke out. Okay, and of course, this was the bigger structure. This was the initial reversal. All right, so we had the bullish. We had the bullish move. We then had the consolidation. We couldn't complete the bullish flag. We broke down with the sell entry to the downside. So this became the reversed move, and then we consolidated within our bearish flag, and textbook broke past it. All right, so this was fucking lovely. All right, I love the fact that this played out the way it played out. Okay, so for you guys, don't look to do anything on gold. Okay, trust me when I say this. Let gold retrace back. Just don't trade gold. I know a lot of y'all don't trade gold by yourselves anyway. Okay, what we could possibly be trying to do on Nasty now could be one of two things. Okay, we could be trying to do something like that, or like that, or like that. Irrespective of whatever we do, we still have to break past this supply before any sort of moves come. Okay, so what we can do to make things a little clearer for y'all now is y'all can have the buys either in this area, okay, or up in this area to be safer. I like this area if you're not going to be trading without me. Okay, so that's where the buys could be on Nasty. All right, if you guys want to screenshot this or do whatever y'all want, y'all can go right ahead and do that. All right, so this is the Nasdaq reversal buys. I'm going to throw on alerts over here so in case these happen I can update you guys. All right, we're not doing gold. The dirty, we're going to leave the dirty as it is. All right, we're going to leave the dirty as it is. The break of this, you guys can start to enter in on feelers, but again, if you're going to be trading without me, wait to break our supply at the 4-hour support and that 4-hour resistance, and that's where you want to push to get this move. And guys, trust me, when we break this, and we will, it may not happen tonight, it may happen on Monday, but when we break this, we're gonna fucking fly. All right, we're gonna possibly go up and hit the 34 200 area. It's very, very, very likely that could happen. Okay, and of course if we break this, we're looking to test 35 all the way up there. Okay, so let's see. I do have a bullish sentiment for the market next week, but again guys, this week, if you all successfully got through trading this week, firstly take a second and pat yourself on the back. All right, because by far, Cash, you'd agree, right? By far, this has been one of the most volatile weeks we've traded in probably all of 2022 as well. Okay, like the start of 23, the way they ended Jan and the way they started off Feb, it's been an extremely volatile week. And if y'all got through this, kudos to y'all. Y'all should be proud of yourselves. Okay. And yeah, let's hope from the next week we have slightly tamer markets and we have more textbook setups, and we'd be able to bank on that like we always do. All right, so guys, do we have any questions or can I call it a session, y'all? I don't want to wait for market open, okay? Because I'm gonna get enticed into trading otherwise. All right, I'm up today by about 22, and I can't complain. All right, so do we have any sort of questions at all? And also guys, you know what we ask y'all, right? You know what we ask y'all? We ask y'all for Twitter posts. All right, we had literally less than an hour. It's been 43 minutes that I've been on the session. 43 minutes, and y'all made money. All right, we made money, yes, but y'all made money with us. We made y'all make money. All right, so make sure to go on Twitter and throw on some posts for us. Just tag CramFX, CashFX, Project, Whitelist, Millzone, tag all of us, and just spread the word, okay? Because we're doing this as a free service for you guys, and all we ask for in return is for you guys to post us on your socials, just so that we have some more eyes here at Forex Trading, okay? So thank you guys so much. I hope you all had a good NFP, and I hope you guys made your moolah, and I hope that you all don't... well, I just hope you guys have a great, great, great weekend. And please, guys, please go on to Success Stories, go on to Twitter, and post those freaking profits, all right? It'll mean the world to us. Thank you guys so much. Have a great freaking weekend. And for the new ones on here, go on, check Forex Academy, and also go on to Pings and Verify. If one of you guys could please tag Pings and Verify for me, all right? Go on to Pings and Verify, and make sure to subscribe to the Forex Calls Roll, okay? That way you guys will have updates about when we're going live for London, when we're going live for New York, and all of that good stuff. All right, so thank you guys so much. This was a lovely freaking session. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all on Monday, you guys. My name is Fuck, I just forgot my own name for a second. I was gonna say my name is Cash. All right, so my name is Kram, my partner is Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys.